This video segment will show you how to cut plastic sheet. It will also show you the cutting options you have should you choose to have Tap Plastics cut it for you. There are 5 basic ways to cut plastic. 4 involve power tools, and 1 method is by hand. Please note that there are many different kinds of plastic, each having unique characteristics which may alter some of the techniques shown here. Also remember to be sure and wear eye protection whenever working with tools. We will be demonstrating with acrylic, also known as plexiglass. The first method we will show is called scribing and breaking. This method works for cutting short lengths of sheet 1/8 inch thick or less. Lay the mask sheet on a flat surface and mark the line to be scribed. Use a straight edge to guide the scriber or knife. Scribe the sheet several times with firm, even pressure using an acrylic scribe or sturdy knife. Position the sheet so that the scribed line is just beyond the edge of a tabletop. Hold the entire sheet firmly by using a board or another piece of plastic. With the scribed line up, apply a sharp downward pressure to the edge of the overhanging sheet. This will cause the sheet to break right along the scribed line. The second method is to use a saber saw. The blade should have about 10 teeth per inch and should be used only for plastic. Wood will dull it too much for a good plastic cut. Because of the up and down motion of the blade, the plastic must be carefully supported. Place the sheet on a thick piece of styrofoam. This will give uniform support, and the blade can cut harmlessly through the styrofoam as it cuts the plastic. This is a good method for curved cuts. If styrofoam is not available, clamp the sheet to a table using the top piece for support. Cut as close to the table edge as possible to minimize vibration. A third cutting method is with the bandsaw. The blade should be about 1/2 inch wide and have about 14 teeth per inch. Feed the plastic into the blade similar to the way you would work with wood. However, you might experience some melting with thicker pieces of plastic. The fourth method of cutting is with a circular handsaw. Use the same support techniques as shown earlier. The best blade to use is a carbide-tipped, triple-chip tooth design. A plywood blade can also be used, but this will often cause melting and a less than ideal cut. Finally, the best choice for straight cuts is the table saw. Here we have a 10-inch blade with 60 to 80 teeth, again with a triple-chip design. Adjust the blade so that it is 1/8 to 1/2 inch above the piece being cut. A blade that is too high or too low will yield inferior cuts and can cause safety issues. If you do not wish to cut the plastic yourself, Tap Plastics can do it for you. Straight rectangular cuts can be done at no charge, and if you come into a store, they can be done while you wait. If you have a need for a large number of pieces, our computer-controlled panel saw can provide the service. With its ability to cut multiple sheets at once with precision accuracy, your order can be filled with very short turnaround time. If you need special shapes, holes, cutouts, or other unique requirements, our laser can do the job. One of our customers needed an acrylic frame for this video conference display. Using a laser, we were able to fabricate the perfect shape. And add graphics to produce an attractive result. The ability to produce parts with precision and accuracy and even cut inside right angles makes the laser a tool of choice for many applications. Whether you want one piece or hundreds, talk to a Tap salesperson about how we can meet your needs. And for the do-it-yourselfer, You are now ready to try your hand at plastic cutting.
Tap, tap plastics, the fantastic plastic place.